In this video, you'll learn how to create a plan region in order to have a specific area with a different view range than the rest of the view. A common scenario for which plan regions are used is windows at varying elevations. For example, I'll open the second floor view and zoom into the doctor offices. As you can see, there are several windows in the exterior wall, and if we open the default 3D view, we can orbit around and take a closer look at these windows. In this example, they're all at the same elevation, but let's say that in one office they were slightly higher. So I will press Control and select both of the windows, and then I'll change the sill height to 8 feet. And when I do, you can no longer see those windows here in the second floor view. If I go to the 3D view, you can see that they're still there, and they do not appear in the floor plan view. So what we can do is we can create a plan region so that those windows will be visible. But real quick, before we do that, let me open the view range dialog, and we can take a look here at the view range. So our bottom is at 0 feet from the second floor level, and the top is at 7 feet 6 inches, and the cut plane is at 4 feet. And so that does not cut through the windows that we moved up. So I'll close the view range dialog, and then on the View tab in the Create panel, I'll expand the Plan Views button and click Plan Region. When you activate the Plan Region tool, Revit goes into sketch mode, and there are a few options in the Draw Gallery. For this example, I'll click Rectangle, and I'll sketch a simple rectangle in that exterior wall, and then I'll click Finish Edit Mode. After you sketch a plan region and in the command, it remains selected, and then you can adjust the view range of that plan region. In the Properties palette, you can click Edit next to View Range, or you can click View Range on the Contextual Ribbon tab. And when you initially open the View Range dialog, it will match the view range of the view, but then you can make adjustments as needed. For example, I'll change the top to 10 feet, and I'll change the cut plane to 9 feet, and then I'll click OK. And when I do, you can once again see the windows in the exterior wall, the ones that we had moved up. So as you can see, those windows are higher than the other ones in the wall. And now, since we have a plan region, then those windows will appear in the wall once again. You can also select a plan region and use the controls to adjust it. So as I adjust the length of it, you can see how I essentially crop out the windows. And you can also select it and click Edit Boundary to go back into sketch mode and make additional adjustments.